All right, it is 10 a.m. We're taking a look at this one right now. As you can see, as soon as 10 a.m. hit, as you can see right here, the entry was about, what was that, 273 right here. Our code popped up around 273. Yep, so what I'm going to do also, so your entry is 273. If you want to get in at 273, you could have. It was an ABCD pattern right here. A, this is B, and this is C. Again, off top of this candle, wrist to low, which is around 240. So just gonna be patient. It's to pull down again. Let's look at this one. It's already moving in the uptrend. 3 million in volume, 4 million in float. Pattern structure isn't there yet, so I'm gonna let this continue to run. And just looking for a pull down later on throughout the day. So leave this one alone. Let's get back to this one. As you can see, if you got in here, it respected this risk. Like I said, risk is the low of this candle, which is 240. So, if you respected it, but I see real good potential to enter this trade above 2.99, so $3. So I'm waiting on the $3 area, and then I'm gonna jump in on it. But right now, I'm not gonna touch it. Let's see if it holds 240 if you are in the trade right now. I did not jump in just yet. As long as it's holding 240, you are fine. Just being patient. Looks like it's trying to hold VWAP. So it looks like the ABCD pattern is already formed and complete. So I will enter at $3. Gotta wait and see. We gotta see what this 5-minute candle gonna do. It has to close. So I'm looking for it to close above 273, around that area. If not, it can close above like 265. If it closes above 265, I'll be okay. Let's see where it's gonna lead here. Let's see here. Did it close? Yeah. See, it closed at 262. So I'm not gonna touch this right now. So it may be on a downtrend. So it didn't close above 265. Leave that one alone for right now. Just being a little bit more patient for it. All right, here now. From the looks of things, I would say it's gonna have some. It needs some time, so I give it till about 10:30. Wait a minute, that just made a real big move right here. But I really do believe we can't do anything till at least 10:20. So I'm not gonna touch it until at least 10:20. So we give it 10 more minutes. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna let the next two 5-minute bars run its course and see what's gonna happen. If it breaks $3 right now, I believe it may break it and then pull back down. Okay. So I'm not gonna play anything until 10:20. So basically 10 minutes. Okay. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. That's very important. We can't do anything. So I don't care what it's doing right now. Leave it alone. As long as it doesn't pass 299, we're okay. If it passes 299, we leave it alone. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen here. Yep, there's a pull down. Okay. Oh, past $3. So at this point, we leave it alone. I'm assuming it should pull back, but we're going to watch it live right now. It should pull back from $3 and create another ABCD because right now it broke. You see? So we're just going to leave it alone. I expect it to pull back down. We're going to see here. So at this point, we can't do nothing with this one. We have to leave this one alone. All right, let's go. Let's see what's the other ones. This one's still pulling down. Let's look at this one. This one's pulling. It hasn't pulled down just yet. This one is down. Yep, there's 293. There's the pull down I was looking for. You see that? Exactly what I was looking for. If it broke that 3, it's going to jump up and then pull all the way back down. Price action. So it's your job to pinpoint those key areas that you know if it does run, it's a fake out. It's going to pull you right back down. That's why I did not trade this yet. So at this point, we have to wait for a new setup. So now this is A. So now we're waiting for a new setup. If it gets to that point. But right now, we can't do anything. So next on our list is this one right here. I'm trying to wait to see how far it should pull down. Right now, it hasn't pulled down big enough for me yet. So I'm just going to be patient with this one. And then, of course, this one. This one currently has 72 million in volume, 3.4 million in float. So that is a good ratio as far as float rotation. It's about, about almost 22 times its float rotation. So that's pretty good. Being patient. Being patient. Seeing the obvious, seeing the chart pattern, seeing the price action. Know what it's going to do if it hit a certain level. You know it's going to pull down. So you know that by the volume. So just going to be patient. So right now we have plenty of time. So the earliest I can even look at this thing is 10:30. No. Just looking at how the pattern is made, probably like 10:40. So I'll be back in like 25 minutes. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay. So 25 minutes, 10:40. I will return. There is no trades as of yet. All right, it is 10:40 as you can see. Pulled up and pull right back down. That tells me right there, still not ready. So at this point, we're gonna let this die down, as you can see. This one is still in the running right now. Only thing about this one is we have to find a base. So let's see about this one later on. Czoo. Let's see. Czoo looks alright. Only thing about Czoo, we have to find the base. So right now, see that. Let's see what we can do. This is the top of A. Let's see if this can be B right here. Here when it took off. So yeah, let's see if it's gonna hold this area right here. So let's see if it holds this area from here to here and then pull down, stay around this area and continue to go up. Okay. So we're gonna wait let's wait till around 11 a.m. See if it's gonna hold it. So let's wait till around 11 a.m. for this one. And then we're going to see what happens after that. So 11 a.m. on Czoo. Let's get back here. I don't like the chart pattern on this right now. Too shaky. Looks like the sellers are trying to take over right now. So I'm going to leave this one alone. Let's see. VRB is pulling all the way down. So this is look like it's about done for today as well. And let's see what's on the scanner here. No, I don't like this one either. This one may not be ready until after 1 p.m. So right now this is A, this is B, Let's see if C can be here after 1 p.m. Eastern time. So can't really do nothing because it's in the mix right here, so it has to get above here. But after 1 p.m., not before. It has to be after 1 p.m. So it has to be that way. So after 1 p.m. Let's see if it get past 184 after 1 p.m. Other than that, I guess I will see you guys. Oh, looks like this one pull all the way back down. You see. I guess I will see you guys after 11 a.m. It's currently 10:45, so we will be back in 15 minutes. Alright, it is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, still no real big movement that I like. Just looking at everything and how it's moving. I really do not like how it is moving, to be honest with you. Slowing down. The tape is slowing down right now. I'm going to leave this alone, okay? Next, this is still below VWAP, slowing down. Czoo, looks like it's still holding around that 740 area as earlier. Still not comfortable with it as of yet. Still not comfortable with this as well. Everything is slowing down today. Nothing's on the scanners. And to be honest, I may call it a day. I'm just really not feeling any stocks right now. I'm going to watch Czoo later on today. This is the only one I can see that could have potential since it's holding the 740 area a little bit. So, let me remove this and put it here. See if it holds this area here. This is here. Let's see what it can do. As far as the other stocks, I'm not going to play those. Not worth my time. Too choppy. Top heavy. Leave that one alone. So the only one I can see has potential to move is this one. So I'm going to watch this throughout the day, but for right now, I'm just going to just sit on my hands, as we call it, and just let things move how it's supposed to move, unfortunately. So next time I will check this thing out. It's probably around 11:30. So I'm gonna wait till 11:30 to see exactly what's going on. Actually, just be honest with you, let's just wait till noon. So we're gonna get us an hour for it to move. So we'll come back at 12 noon and see what could happen. Looks like he's trying to move now. Still will not be ready regardless. So let's wait till around noon, okay? So noon we'll check out Czoo around noon. No trades as of yet today. This one's trying to move back as well. Let's see. It's really trying. Well, we're gonna give this 5 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can enter this trade here. Looks like an ABCD is forming here. And then let's see if it holds. basically holds this area right here. A, B is trying to form a C here, and then a pull down. We're getting in off the top of the previous 5-minute bar. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes, see if we can enter this trade. Okay, we're gonna see. It's trying to get some volume coming in. We're gonna see. This 5-minute candle right here is gonna tell me what everything I need to know. So this volume gets at least, 1.3 million in volume, and it gets above this candle right here, and continues to run up, then we know this is the bar to get into. So we're gonna wait and see right now. So have a good 5 minutes. Let's see here. So actually, we're not gonna sit here for 5 minutes and wait. So I will be back at 11:10. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close. Okay. So 5 minutes. I'll be back. All right. It's about to be 11:10, and just by the looks of it, no, it's not ready. As you can see, this candle isn't. There's no volume in this candle, at least on the buyer side. So at this point, I'm gonna give it some room, give it some wiggle room. As of right now, we'll wait till noon to look at this again. But right now, I would not trade this right now. Okay. So once again, I will see you guys at noon. I don't want to hold you guys up. So we're gonna put our lines in here. So we will see you at noon. All right, it's almost noon. It's 11:55. Just by looking at it right now, as you can see, did it again, pushed up, pulled back down, was not ready. The code did not pop up, as you can see. So we're just gonna wait a little longer, but it looks like it has a while to go. Okay, so it has to pull down further back. So right now we're gonna leave this one alone. Let's look at IBIO. It's trying to turn, still holding that support area I drew earlier. So we're waiting for that one still. Looks like that will not be ready for a while as well. So we have plenty of time. Still under it. No trades as of yet. Nope, no trades as of yet. So we're gonna continue to watch out and look and see what we can do today. So right now, just by looking at the angles, we have to give it some time. So I'm gonna call this a day. Still don't like the way this is moving. We're gonna give it time, but right now, it's about noon right now. I think I am done for today. Okay. If anything does pop up, I will return. But if not, stay focused and stay trading. There will be no trades today as of right now where it stands. The only potentials I see is Czoo, this one, and IBIO. Now, they have potential to move later on during the afternoon. Okay, so watch out for them. I'm gonna keep my eye out on it, on them. But as of right now, this is trying to move back. I'm not gonna trade anything right now. So once again, we're gonna wait. But other than that, stay focused, stay trading. See you guys tomorrow. All right, it is 1 p.m. I'm looking at IBIO. As you can see, it's trying to moving an uptrend right now, but I will say probably within the next, let's see here, within the next hour it should be ready. So for right now, we have to wait till like 2 p.m. Okay, as long as it holds below $3.30 before 2 p.m. Eastern time, we'll be okay. All right, so this is support A, B. It's finding C right now. So at the close of before, well, at 2 p.m. we will know what C is. So right now we're just gonna just leave it alone, let everything move and see what can happen. Okay. So right now it's trying to mosey on right now. I believe it should stay below $3.30, but we're gonna wait and see. Okay. We're watching. Watching the price action. Alright, so once again, I will not trade until after 2 p.m. on this. So if we get past 3:30, then we have to find another ABCD pattern. So for right now, we're just gonna let this run. So we have like another hour. I believe it may get past 3:30 within an hour. It looks like it may pass it right now. Yep, there we go. 3:35. So right now, I'm hoping it'll pull back right now. But right now, I can't do anything about it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Not part of the strategy. Let's see if it pulls back on us. Let's see. It is the pullback. We're gonna wait. So I will not be trading this right now. Alright, so let's take out the other one that we were looking at prior. As you can see, it's pulling down. We have not made a trade yet today. So we're just waiting here on this one. Looks like we're waiting for a uptrend right now. Sellers are taking over at the top of the apex, so we're just gonna wait for that. And as you can see right here, it's trying to pull back down. So it's just a patience game right now. So we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. So in this stock, we're not gonna play this right now. We have to allow another ABCD pattern to form. So we're gonna leave this one alone. And this one we have to wait as well. So it's all about a patience game. So right now we can't really do too much of anything right now. So I guess I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. So 1:30 Eastern time. All right. All right, here. This is a recap for today, which is March 27th. Our winner today was Czoo, as you can see. The entry price today was $11.80. You can see the ABCD pattern right here. This is A, B, double bottom right here. Went to C, pull back, and your entry was above, which is $11.80. Now it went all the way to 2027. So if you're still in the trade, congratulations. As you can see, our system coding popped up right here at the exact time they enter your price. Good job, traders. Once again, I'm going to hold my position here, and I hope you guys held your positions as well. Once again, I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early. Stay focused, stay trading.